Want to speak real Turkish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at turkishclass101.com.
Hi everybody, I'm Seda Sürel. Herkese merhaba, ben Seda Sürel and welcome back to another Turkish whiteboard lesson. And today we will be talking about common Turkish verbs for daily conversation. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. Okay, now let's look at the vocabulary, okay? First verb, izliyorum. I'm watching. İzliyorum. I'm watching. You may notice we don't say ben, I, ben, I. Because in Turkish, we not only put the tense in the verb, but also the pronoun. That's why we don't have to say the pronoun I, ben, again. Okay? If you want to emphasize the sentence, you can say it, but otherwise you don't need to say it, so it's easier. You just say the verb conjugated in the first person, I, here. And here you see the dictionary form of the verb watch, izlemek, watch, izlemek, watch. And notice this, the dictionary form has mek, mek, mek. You take it out and you only leave izle, izle, okay? And after that, you add the suffixes to the verb. There are rules to that, but for now, just remember it like that. The logic is take the mek out of the dictionary form and then add suffixes. Let's see the other examples. Yapıyorum, yapıyorum. I'm doing. Yapıyorum. And the dictionary form is yapmak. Do, make. Yapmak. Here, again, we have this time mak. Take it out. Make. Take it out. The dictionary form, you have to take it out, the make and the mak. Then add the suffixes. Let's see the other example. Okuyorum. Okuyorum. I'm reading. Okuyorum. And let's look at the dictionary form. Okumak. Read. Okumak. Read. Okay? Again, you have to take the mak at the end before adding the suffixes. Let's look at the other example. Dinliyorum. Dinliyorum. I'm listening. Dinliyorum. Again, we have mek at the end of the dictionary form. Dinlemek. Dinlemek. Listen. Take it out. The mek, you have to take it out, okay? The next one is temizliyorum. Temizliyorum. Temizliyorum. I'm cleaning. I'm cleaning. Okay? And the dictionary form is temizlemek. Temizlemek. Clean. And again, you can find the mek at the end to take it out. Okay? İçiyorum. İçiyorum. I'm drinking. İçiyorum. I'm drinking. And the dictionary form is içmek. Drink. İçmek. İçmek. The next one is geliyorum. Geliyorum. I'm coming. Geliyorum. And the dictionary form we see here gelmek. you can see the ending here. See? Make, mak, make, mak. Take the make and mak of the dictionary form before adding any suffix. So, geliyorum, I'm coming, gelmek, come. Let's see the other one. Yürüyorum. Yürüyorum. I'm walking. Yürüyorum. Yürümek. Yürümek. Walk. Okay? The next one is veriyorum. Veriyorum. Veriyorum. I'm giving. Veriyorum. Okay? And the dictionary form is vermek. Vermek. Give. Give. And the last one here is konuşuyorum. Konuşuyorum. I'm speaking or I'm talking. There is no difference in Turkish. Speaking, talking. Okay? Konuşuyorum. Konuşuyorum. And the dictionary form is konuşmak. Okay? Speak or talk. Konuşmak. And again, you have to take the mark at the end of the dictionary form before adding any suffix. Okay? Okay, next you're gonna hear two friends talking over the phone, and I'm gonna read you a dialogue, and I'm gonna read it, and I want you to notice the words we just discussed in this part, okay? Let's see the dialogue. Here. Ne yapıyorsun? Let me show it with you. Ne yapıyorsun? Ne yapıyorsun? Televizyon izliyorum. One more time. This time I will read it slower. Ne yapıyorsun? Televizyon izliyorum. Televizyon izliyorum. Okay, did you guys catch the verb? Did you guys catch it? Yes, we have it here. İzliyorum. I'm watching. İzliyorum. İzliyorum. And did you guys notice something else? In English, we first have object, I, verb, watching, then subject, I, verb, and object. Subject, verb, object. But in Turkish, it is a little bit different. We have the object first, televizyon, verb, later, izliyorum. Televizyon, izliyorum. Object, verb. Okay? Let's see the pattern here. We first have the object, then we have the verb. And don't forget, the verb is conjugated not only in the tense, okay, but also the pronoun, the subject. We have ben, I, in this verb, okay? This is I am watching. This says I am watching without the say I, because we have the suffix states that, okay? So it's a little bit different. And what about the question? Did you catch the verb we just studied here? Yes. Yapıyorsun. Yapıyorsun. The verb here, yapmak. Yapmak. Of course, this is a question and it is asking, what are you doing? You, not I, you, because it is talking about you. The conjugation is different here. Ne yapıyorsun? What are you doing? Okay? And again, here you will see object, ne, verb, yapıyorsun. Object and verb. Okay? Okay. Let's see two more examples. we have two different examples here. Kitap okuyorum. Kitap okuyorum. I'm reading a book. Here you will see the verbs in red. Okuyorum. Okuyorum. Do you remember the dictionary form of okuyorum? It is okumak. Okumak. Kitap okuyorum. Object, verb. Let's see the other example. Müzik dinliyorum. Müzik dinliyorum. Müzik dinliyorum. I'm listening to music. Müzik dinliyorum. Do you remember the dictionary form of dinliyorum? Let's see here. Dinliyorum. Dinlemek. Dinlemek. And again we have object, verb. Müzik dinliyorum. I'm listening to music. Okay, you saw the examples, and let's go over the sentence pattern one more time. As you can see, first we have the object, then we have the verb. Okay, and in Turkish, everything is in the verb. The tenses, the negatives, the questions, the pronouns, we add to the verb. And as I explained before, we have to take out the mak and the mek part from the dictionary form of the verb. And as a side note, Turkish sentence structure is not as determined as in English, for example. You can change the places of the verb, object. If you want to add the subject to it, you can change it. And the other things you can mix and match. But for now, let's keep it at the side. It's a different subject. For now, we just see this is the basic pattern, okay? First the object, then the verb in the conjugated form. A fun fact, in Turkey, people can ask you, what are you doing? Even in like business meetings, and Turkish people can ask you very personal questions. Okay, what were you doing? What are you doing? What are you watching? You know, where are you going? What are you talking? What were you drinking? Things like that. And don't take it personal. This is how we show our, we show that we see you and we are interested in your life. We want to know what you are doing, and we can even ask about your kids, your, spouses, your parents, your family. And that's okay. That's very Turkish. So don't get offended, and you can answer as much as you want. And when you are answering, you can use our verbs here, okay? You can say, I'm drinking this, I'm doing that, I'm cleaning the house. We have all the verbs here for you. Not all the verbs, but a lot of verbs. Okay. Do you remember how to say TV? Televizyon. Televizyon. Do you remember how to say I'm watching? İzliyorum. İzliyorum. Do you remember how to say I'm watching TV? Televizyon izliyorum. Televizyon izliyorum. Do you remember how to say I'm doing? Yapıyorum. Yapıyorum. Do you remember how to say I'm reading? Okuyorum. Okuyorum. What about I'm listening? Dinliyorum. Dinliyorum. I'm cleaning. Temizliyorum. Temizliyorum. What about I'm drinking? İçiyorum. İçiyorum. What about I'm coming? Geliyorum. Geliyorum. I'm walking. Yürüyorum. Yürüyorum. What about I'm giving? Veriyorum. Veriyorum. What about I'm speaking? Konuşuyorum. Konuşuyorum. In this lesson, you learn one of the most common Turkish verbs in Turkish everyday life. I'm Seda Sürel, and I will see you next time at turkishclass101.com. Görüşmek üzere, kendinize iyi bakın. Take care, see you.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.